Chad and I have had an amazing time here in downtown DeLand, but now it's time for the main event. I've rented a houseboat to go on the St. Johns River, but I have a little surprise for Chad.
Oh, what a day, girl. You picked a good one.
Isn't it beautiful?
It absolutely is beautiful.
So here we are.
Is the boat picking us up? Where's the boat
No,
at?
this is it right here. It's called a tiny houseboat.
This is the boat we're going to be staying in for the next couple days.
It's got everything we ever need.
Honey, this is a tin can. We can't fit in this. Are you joking?
No, it's efficient.
Okay. It looks really small, baby.
Come on. Remember how we talked about keep it simple?
I don't remember saying that, but okay. All right, let's go check it out. It's very tiny.
This tiny concept is the big idea of these two, Carrie Lambert and Rick Phillips.
These houseboats were built in the 50s and 60s, and we were introduced to them by a friend and fell absolutely in love with them, and we wanted to restore them, and we decided we needed to share this experience with everybody.
We thought that it was the perfect vessel to sleep out here and experience all that the St. Johns River has to offer.
Our main goal is for people to get out and experience the real Florida. When you walk into one of our tiny houseboats, you're gonna feel at home.
Oh, wow. Look at this. Wow. It's perfect. And look at this table over here. And see, and look at the kitchen right there. And this is the bed. It folds out. I mean, what more could you ask for? We got windows and look at this here. It says enjoy the little things. Isn't that perfect?
How appropriate.
Yeah.
This is a little thing.
Turns out, these little boats really do pack a lot into a tiny space. They're simple to operate.
Does it go pretty fast?
Actually, the boats go very slow.
Okay,
so they're
good.
easy to maneuver.
And really do offer all the facilities you might need.
Yep. All the comforts of home.
That's what we're trying for.
I'm ready for the tiny houseboat experience.
Woo! It's like a good day for a boat ride.
Up next, Chad and Christy take in some Florida wildlife as their tiny houseboat adventure continues.
You forget how much wildlife are on this river. Birds, alligators, turtles. I mean, there's just always something to see.
Oh, that's a big gator.
Wow.
And later, Chad's counting down our top 5 Florida Keys events.
You're watching How to Do Florida. And
We'll be right back.
Christy and I are spending the weekend in beautiful West Volusia County in Central Florida. After a little quality time in the picturesque, perfect town of DeLand, we've taken to the St. Johns River for a little spin on a tiny houseboat. Tiny Houseboat Adventures has 18-foot vintage houseboats that can be rented for a unique getaway.
I'll tell you what, I got a chance to walk around and kind of take it in.
Yeah, what do you think?
I'm liking this. I mean, I think initially I was like, oh my gosh, this is so small, but it's so convenient.
You got everything at your fingertips, right?
Absolutely. What do you have planned for the day?
Well, we're gonna cook some lunch here on our little tiny houseboat in the kitchen there, and hopefully get to see some manatees.
Hey, these boats might be tiny, but they offer all the comforts of home.
So let me give you a quick tour. Here's where you steer. And now this is the beautiful living room. Here we have our important bathroom that has all of our necessities. And this is the tiny little kitchen. And here we have our stove and the sink, everything you need, all in one place.
Hold on, babe, we're turning around. Stand by, evasive action.
One of the real advantages of these little gyms is you can go places and do things that you simply can't on a bigger houseboat.
You can nestle into little coves and meander down little estuaries and really explore parts that not too many people have. Along the way, you can stop by different state parks, you can go to restaurants, and you can see a lot of old Florida.
You know, it's one of the great things about these trips is you forget how much wildlife are on this river. Birds, alligators, turtles. I mean, there's just always something to see. Absolutely beautiful.
There's even tiny birds.
We're seeing tiny birds. Definitely a tiny theme going on this weekend.
Well, maybe we won't have a tiny theme the entire weekend.
Chad, are you seeing this?
What?
There are 2 giant alligators right over here.
Oh my gosh.
They're just sunbathing.
That is a monster.
They're enjoying the wildlife right now.
Yeah.
Now, they don't fit into our tiny theme.
No, that is a giant alligator.
Okay. Wow.
I can't think of a better location in Florida for a boat like this than the St. Johns River. With 310 miles of beautiful calm waters and over 100 springs within its watershed, visitors to this river are ensured endless possibilities.
One of my favorite places to be in this state is right here on the St. Johns River. Absolutely gorgeous river, so much history, such an iconic river here in our state. Absolutely beautiful.
Now that we've seen a couple of big gators, we're headed for the wintering home of another one of the river's larger inhabitants, manatees. Our destination is Blue Spring, where as many as 500 manatees spend the winter months basking in the warm waters that come from the spring.